Okay, njengoba njena-ke ngihleze ngisho ngithi guys, musani ukulahla i-opportunity yokuthi ninqabe ukufunda. Uphumlane lona, mina ngike ngathandi ukuxoxa indaba ende, ngike ngithanda ukuthi ngihlale odabeni. So njengamanje ngike nganitshengisa ngifuna ukutshengisa onke-ke manje ama-index lawa asiza especially abantu abasebasha for ama-cryptocurrencies abanga-understand lutho, they want to know more. These are very simple. So lana kusuke kungama-crypto group endawonye, so they tell you which one they took so that uma ufuna uku-investela khona you can buy it. Lokhu kungcono-ke ngoba ama-losses akhona awabi maningi kakhulu because ama-coin asuke emaningi. Let's go to ECA20 singene phakathi so that sizokwazi ukuchaza kangcono ukuthi kwenzakalani lana. Okay, njengamanje lana sikhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma ngama-crypto awu-20 kuthathwe ama-percentage acishe ukulingana njengoba ubona i-Ethereum u-4.95%, size ku-Binance uyabona nakhona it's 5.46%, uyabona. So badlalela lapha, scrollela siphinde si-check-a amanye. All of these coins bawathathile. This is the pie chart that shows us ukuthi all of these coins have taken some percentages. Okay, so uma sibuka i-graph you can see ukuthi okay, these cryptos they've been going up. If you go individually njengoba ngihlezi ngiwachaza uzobona ukuthi alokhu ekhula kancane kancane. So ake sithi nje 3 months, let's see the growth of this crypto package here. Okay, lena isuka ku 78 rand yaya manje ku 121 rand. As you can see ukuthi hayi cha no iyatshengisa ukukhula. But that's why we always say, guys, be patient. Kuma crypto you buy low and then you're gonna sell high. If right now when to happen ukuthi ibe ku 121 rand, you can sell. But if you say you still believe ukuthi crypto isazokhula, you become a holder. Yeah, that's why I'm always telling people stop talking about trading. Trading is something that we do each and every day. Even if when you invite to the shop, you are trading because you are nyashinjana khona othengayo khona onginika i-product, and then that is why nathi ke lana usithina as trade siyathenga. So when sithenga siyatrade, but we don't do a daily trade, we don't do all of those things. Singamahodla, yebo lana siyathenga sibambe silinde kukhule in value and then we sell. Yebo loo nto leyo, ningadideki-ke. Angicabanga ukuthi ngiwachaze onke lana. Khona amanye amavidiyo ngiwaphostile lapho bengichaza khona nga-one, uyabo. So lena nje it's a good package for beginners, abantu abangazi lutho ngama-crypto. Ungalokho nje ustress lokho ufuna ukuzenza umastermind uthenga onke ama-coin akhona maningi kakhulu, you cannot finish them all. You rather buy these packages. Kodwa I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just saying what I've been doing, into ebekade ngiyenza. Yebo, asibonge kakhulu. Ngizoqhamuka manje sengiyochecka ama-coin enze kahle usuku lanamhlanje. Usuku lanamhlanje zingaki-ke? Bezu-13 kuMarch 2024. Yebo loo nto leyo. Ngiyajabula ukuthi njengamanje guys you are learning something new onyakeni.